Hi, I wanted to show you the results of a recent service I had done by Rolex on my 80s era Datejust. I uploaded a video some time ago about when I was on holidays and I took this watch into an authorized dealer to order a new end link for the bracelet. They also said they would clean up the watch for me, and I thought that's cool. But when I got the watch home, I could see that they had actually polished it, and boy was it bad. So you can see in the photo that I included in this video, the one edge is pretty nasty and the other ones are not so great either. There was so much metal missing from the edges of the case that I really didn't think anything could be done to fix it. Well, fast forward to now, and I couldn't be happier that I was wrong. When I brought the watch into Rolex, I figured I'd get a service done first and then see what they could do about correcting the damage second. Well, they told me they had a master polisher and they weren't kidding. For the service end of things, they were going to change the hands, but I thought the old ones were fine, so I just told them to skip that. But they changed the crown and the acrylic crystal along with the service. In closing, it feels like I have a new watch again. It's a sentimental piece, so I figured it was worth every penny getting everything corrected. So that's it for now. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk soon. Bye.